Log in and synchronize your project before working on it. If there is no internet connection, the project is saved locally and uploaded later once you connect to the internet. Click on the Create New Project button. The starting point of the design is to set the information regarding the project information, such as customer name, the system integrator, and so on. Of course, this step is optional. If necessary, upload multiple relevant files to your project. In this case, we are uploading the customer requirement files. In the next part of the video, we will start working on the project. The configuration stepper will guide you throughout the project creation. The configuration proposes you to select the type of the CPU for your project. You can also apply the option of ruggedization. Once the CPU reference is selected, you can now proceed with the I/O selection. From the Export and Communication Stepper Guide, select the specialized modules for your project. Once the selection is done, you can move to the rack configuration options. From the Future Expansion configuration, you can set a percentage of I/Os for the future expansion of your project. The configuration grid for the I/O is now created and ready to be used. You can add new remote areas. You can set the I/O values and the modules quantities. You can duplicate the modified remote areas to save time. Like before, this area of the grid is also modifiable. Change the project complexity. The software will automatically calculate the CPU memory based on the I/O's CPU type and chosen project complexity. You can also save your grid profile for future use. The profiles are ready to be used for future projects. Refine the configuration grid by deleting references. You can reuse the deleted references if needed. To finish, you can generate your configuration. You can quickly fix I/O module errors by adding accessories directly from the graphical editor. And finally, let us add and configure an Automation Expert control unit. First, create one or several process subsystems. Select the process features. For each process system, select the controller and configure your I/O module. Depending on project complexity, use the advanced I/O configuration. Generate and visualize your configuration. The web browser and desktop application offer the same experience in architecture creation.